Have you added categories that suit your needs to your store and now you're wondering how to quickly assign products to them? With Megamo Automatic Integrator, it's easy. When importing products from wholesalers, it is important to do it in an orderly and thoughtful manner. In our integrator, we have added several methods of handling categories provided by the supplier of your choice. You can access them by selecting Settings on the tile of selected integration and then going to the Category Map tab. The panel is divided into 3 parts. In the first one, you can copy selected categories from the warehouse to your store. To do this, select the category you want to copy in the left column, select the parent category where it should be copied on the right, and then confirm it using the Copy button. The second part allows you to choose the default method of importing products. Here you can decide whether they should go to your store not assigned to any category, go to a specified common category, or not to be imported until the target category is set. Missing categories can also be added to the store automatically. The last part allows you to assign the categories of the supplier on the left to any category in your store, selected from the drop-down list on the right. When you have finished making changes, you can confirm them using the Save button at the bottom of the page. New products added to your store will be automatically placed according to your configuration. Products already existing in the store can be moved manually, or you can use the full update, which we will describe in a separate material. With us, importing products to your store becomes easier. Visit megamo.pl or write to bureau@megamo.pl for more details.